Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x3 divided by third root of x2 plus 1 dx. Okay, to solve this integral, first let's define x2 plus 1 as u with the power of 6. Okay, so if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, that will be 2x dx will be equal to 6 u5 du. Okay, also from this definition you can conclude that x2 is equal to u6 minus 1. Also u will be equal to x2 plus 1 with the power of 1 divided by 6. Okay, we will need this definition later on. Okay, so now let's rewrite this integral. This integral you can rewrite it as, so instead of x3 I write x2 times x divided by third root of x2 plus 1 dx. Okay, so this integral will be equal to, instead of x2 I write u6 minus 1, that is u6 minus 1, and instead of x dx here I have 2x dx. So 2x dx is equal to 6 u5 du. Therefore x dx will be equal to 3 u5 du divided by third root of x2 plus 1. So x2 plus 1 is u6. Okay, therefore third root of x2 plus 1 will be equal to u with the power of 6 divided by 3, that will be 2. Okay, so this u2 is out by this one, that will be u5 u3. Okay, so therefore you can rewrite this integral as integral of 3 times u6 minus 1 times u3 du, okay, which will be equal to 3 integral of u6 times u3 is u9 du minus 3 integral of 1 times u3 is u3 du, okay, which will be equal to 3 times u10 divided by 10 minus 3 u4 divided by 4 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So here all you need to do is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is equal to x2 plus 1 with the power of 1 divided by 6. Okay, therefore the final solution will be equal to 3 divided by 10. U is equal to x2 plus 1 with the power of 1 divided by 6 with the power of 10, that will be 10 divided by 6, which is equal to 5 divided by 3. Therefore this one will be equal to x2 plus 1 with the power of 5 divided by 3 minus 3 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4 times u with the power of 4. Again, u is equal to x2 plus 1 with the power of 1 divided by 6. Therefore u4 will be equal to x2 plus 1 with the power of 4 divided by 6, which is 2 divided by 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.